guys, and welcome back to my video. So in this video today I'm going to be recreating this makeup look for my Zodiac series. So today I'll be recreating the Pisces Zodiac makeup look, and as you can see I went with the glossy wet look because, you know, Pisces, fish, mermaids, blah blah blah, all that jazz. So I wanted to keep it in that type of theme, so that's why I added a bit of gloss on my eyelids and a bit of gloss on my lips. I hope you do guys enjoy this video. I'm going to stop rambling on and let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna talk about a little bit about Pisces just before we start and everything, whilst you watch me do my base for the makeup look. So a Pisces, the element is water, the quality is mutable, colours are sea green, aqua, indigo, blue, the day is Thursday, the ruler is Neptune, Jupiter, the greatest overall compatibility is Virgo and Taurus. Lucky numbers are 3, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, and the date ranges from the 19th of Feb till the 20th of March. So a Pisces trait, the strength is compassionate, artistic, gentle, wise, musical. Their weaknesses are fearful, overly trusting, sad, desire to escape from reality, and can also be a victim. What Pisces like is being alone, sleeping, music, romance, virtual media, swimming or spiritual dreams. What they dislike is know-it-all, being criticized, the past coming back to haunt them, cruelty of any kind. Pisces are very friendly, so they often find themselves in a company of very different people. Pisces are selfless. They are always willing to help others without hoping to get anything back. Pisces is a water sign, and such as this zodiac sign is characterized by empathy and expressed emotional capacity. Their ruling planet is Neptune, so Pisces are more intuitive than others and have the artistic talent. Neptune is connected to music, so Pisces reveal music preferences in the earliest stage of life. They are generous, compassionate, and extremely faithful and caring people. So that's all about the Pisces lot. So I'm just going to explain a little bit exactly what I'm doing in my makeup look and everything, and kind of like the inspiration. I do tend to keep in the theme of the colors that I mentioned earlier and everything. So far as you can see, I've done my base. I started off by putting the Revolution highlighter liquid in the color Unicorn Elixir I think it was, and what I used with that, I just put it on my higher points of my face, so where I tend to highlight. So that was my cheekbones, my nose, on top of my cupid's bow, a bit on my forehead and everything like that, and then I kind of just buffed it in. And then I went in with the Revolution Pro foundation drops in the color F13, and that's what I'm brushing it in at the moment now with the computer brush from Revolution as well. So this is quite a light shade, meaning that it's quite soft. I used about 2 drops on this foundation, and it kind of gives me a light to medium coverage. Next I'm going to go in with this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea in the color Deep, and I'm just going to highlight where I want to. So that means under my under eyes, down my nose, on my forehead, chin, and on my jawbone. And at the moment I'm just buffing it in with a sponge. And then I'm just going to go in with the W7 banana powder. This is one of my favorite powders that I like to set my face with, especially on the places that I've highlighted. So I like to go in this, and then I tend to buff it in. I don't leave it to bake, I just like to buff it in with my sponge. Okay, so now I'm just going to brush my eyebrows, because what I decided for this look, I didn't want to really do my eyebrows. I wanted to have my eyebrows quite natural, and then just put eyeshadows over them. And I also went in with these two liquid lipstick from Jeffree Stars. I went in with the Crocodile Tear and the Blue Velvet. So I started off with the Blue Velvet, and what I did, I just sponged it onto my face. So I just went around my eyebrow area, my eyelids, and down to my cheekbone. And then I tapped in the Crocodile Tear, the green color, and I went that on top. I kind of just sponged it in just to make it look more patchy, because I didn't want the two colors to blend in. And these two colors are going to be the base, because then I go in with this teal sea green color and I put that on top. And what I do with this one, I don't actually blend it in, I kind of just tap it on, and so that it's kind of creates kind of like a scale type of look, but it doesn't at the same time, if that makes sense. So what I wanted to do, I just wanted to make it look patchy very much. And then I did the same thing with this light blue color, and yeah, I just pretty much just pat it in and then kind of buffed it out on around the edges so that it seemed more blended to my skin. But then I just kept it pretty much the same for both sections so that it looks patchy. And then I go in with this eyelash from the Minx Way. You need to make sure you check them out on Instagram. And then also I use this mascara from Tarte called Lights Camera Lashes, which is amazing. So I just put that on top and bottom. And then I went in with Live Your Best Life palette from Lottie London and X Tweely, which they did a collaboration. And what I did is I used this as my kind of base to create where I want to put the star sign. And what I wanted to do is kind of like a fusion of the emerald green and the sea green. So I used the emerald green first, and then I kind of drawed out the base of the star sign with the sea green. And then what I actually end up doing is I go in with this Revolution Pro white eyeliner, and that kind of I use this to draw the star sign so that it kind of pops more against the two colors that I've used. And then I use the same color, and what I wanted to add something a bit different to it, so I added these white dots above my eyebrows just to kind of outline my eyebrows but not really outline at the same time. And then I went in with this Revolution Duo, I think it was Duo something highlighter, and it's got like a pink and a champagne highlighter. And what I did, I used the champagne and then I just tapped it on because I didn't want to blend the colors together. So whenever I went over the colors that are already on my skin, I just dabbed it on pretty much. And now I'm just going to be going onto the lips. So I'm not going to be using lipstick. What I did is I went with the emerald colors, emerald greens that I've been using, or sea greens that I've been using, and I just put that on my inner lips and kind of did like a fusion where it's kind of like blurring out. And now basically Pisces are the element is water. So what I wanted to do for this look is create a glossy wet look. So I went in with this gloss and I put it on top of my lid, and literally I did my research. They say like you have to kind of put it as the last thing so that it doesn't smudge and everything like that. So that's what I did, and then I also put it on my lips. And then yeah, and I'm trying not to rub it or anything. I kind of tried to just put it on so that it didn't rub the colors and everything together. And also I tapped it onto my cheek just to give it more of a wet look like I just came out of the sea kind of a thing. So hopefully you guys do think it worked out. But yeah. And then I finished my makeup look with this setting spray by Revolution called the Sports Fix setting spray. So I just finished that off, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's the end of the makeup look. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. I know you'll be waiting for this look to come out, a hot one, but I finally brought it out for you guys. So this is the Pisces makeup look. As you can see, I tried to stick around the theme of a Pisces, if that makes sense, but so I tried to keep with the colours that are associated with Pisces and everything. But what I wanted to do is to try out the glossy eye look and kind of create like a wet makeup look, just because, you know, Pisces, fish, water, mermaid, stuff like that. So that's why I wanted to keep around, you know. But anyway, I hope you guys do enjoy this makeup look. I feel like it turned out pretty well, especially the glossy eye, because I did do research on how to do a glossy eye, and I noticed that you do all your makeup first, like all your eyeshadow and everything, put everything on, and then literally put the gloss at the last minute. Then that way it won't smudge, it won't rub and stuff like that. And so far it's been surviving, and yeah, I feel like it turned out pretty well. I'm quite surprised. And then I did dab it kind of like on the cheek area, just to like make it pop a bit, make it look more like wet and everything like that. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Make sure also to subscribe so you don't miss my other videos that I do upload. Also hit that notification bell as well, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye. I feel very buzzed. Why am I so buzzed? Hey, I really like how this turned out. Hey, 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 hey. It's so simple, but yeah. And also wanted to make it a bit more editorial, so that's why I did my eyeshadows like this. But yeah, when you're feeling yourself. Okay, that's done with the video. Now I need to take pic.